time's right to review your records and conduct a safety compliance analysis. As of December, OSHA's site-specific targeting inspection program for non-construction employers with 20-plus employees is back and will run for 2 years. Also, recently appointed Secretary of Labor Marty Walsh has directed the agency to ramp up inspections. Let's take a closer look in today's NASP Safety News Break. Under the updated and enhanced SST program, OSHA's Office of Statistical Analysis will be crunching 2017 and 2019 reported injury and illness numbers and notifying area offices about organizations that have a high rate of employee days away, restricted and/or transferred time from work compared to their industry national average, have year-to-year upward trending DART rates that put them above industry average, are on the targeted list but have a low DART rate against their industry average. It's a red flag for possible underreporting or improper encouragement of employees not to report injury or illness, or are non-responders that don't turn in their Form 300A logs on time. Your DART can be calculated by adding the numbers in columns H and I of your Form 300 log, dividing that number by the number of hours all employees worked, and multiplying it by 200,000. That's 100 employees working 40 hours a week for 50 weeks. To stay off OSHA's radar, keep your employee safety training up to date and document it. Encourage employee involvement in the workplace safety program. Ensure protection of employee privacy to avoid whistleblower discrimination scrutiny. Establish a system to retain and update your safety records. Complete, certify, and submit your legally required injury and illness logs to OSHA in a timely manner. And complete OSHA and Bureau of Labor Statistics surveys. To prepare for a possible OSHA inspection, check the agency's most frequently cited standards and review your company safety inspection records and any applicable abatement plans. Failure to abate fines can carry a price tag as high as $13,653 per day beyond the deadline. It's also a good idea to double check if there are any local or national emphasis programs you need to pay attention to. Because OSHA doesn't have to give advanced notice of an inspection unless there are unusual circumstances, it is strongly recommended to have clear procedures for what to do if an inspector shows up. Your inspection team should be diverse. Select a safety manager-led team for facility compliance inspections that includes HR, oversight of training records, maintenance, to address engineering controls, safety committee members, and union representatives with experience in safety and health. How do you feel about the increased enforcement? Are you and your facility prepared? Drop us a comment below and let us know what steps you've taken. And be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons so you don't miss the next NASP Safety News Break.